Yeah! Or he's not giving me anything. Okay. Give me a little clap. Huh? Welcome aboard.
It was Buzz Lightyear before.
No, it wasn't. Oh, was it? What? No, it wasn't. Oh, it is?
I thought. Or Woody. It was one of them. Eiffel Tower.
Matterhorn. Isn't that here though? Suez Canal. Los Angeles Disneyland. Oh my god. Huh? It's like Utah? Where? What the hell is Monument Valley? What? Oh, Oshkosh is climbing Mount Kilimanjaro this winter. Oh, the Opera House.
Yeah.
Hey, that's some Finding Nemo. I can't believe we made Disney a real thing.
Oh, it is that.
Oh, it is him.
My name is Patrick, and I'll be your chief flight attendant.
Because he's bald.
Okay, let's review.
Good.
Have a nice one.
Bye. Wait, what was his name?
Patrick, bro.
You can put your shoes on the floor. What? You like that?
Say that again for the camera. He wants to play with your strap.
Oh my god, funny.
Oh Lord, I hope I don't fall. I pray I fall.
Soarin to tower. We are ready for takeoff.
Yeah! I'm scared. Yeah! Feet picks? Good angle. Yo! Have a Coke. That's a cool castle. The resolution of this camera has to be insane. My teammates. What? My bot laner. Oh, male pew. Oh my god.
I wish my ball lane was from here. Nature's. This is where Uzi's from.
Where's the Maldives? Look how small the island is. That's crazy. Oh my god! Tinkerbell!
Thank you, Patrick.
Gather up.
The grass balls were good.
That's Snow White.
She's in California?
She was dancing to like jazz music.
Oh, that's Pog. Did you get a picture with it? You should get a number. So who's not going on this? You better go.
I am. I love it.
Are you going? No shit!
No.
Let's go.
I've never gotten so.
Robert, how's the web slinger thing?
It was fun. We got Matt. Tyler and I got 709. If we had up 4 questions, we could have hit top of that.
Oh yeah, we had 850.
55 minutes.
I'm waiting. I have nothing else to do.
Yeah, what else are we gonna do, you know?
Suck my...
For broads again.
Did you get someone's number?
No, not yet. He's being a pussy. There's just not any opportunity right now.
Yeah.
What are they figuring out?
You know where they're going?
They're all being indecisive. They're getting wet.
Oh, I see. Okay.
I think it was fun.
They're not going? No, them.
It looks like we met up for nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a combination of line and then the water's another excuse. The thing is, like, we can hold the line. I don't really care.
Okay, Jake build. It says 5.
Okay, nice. These things have they have things that drain out the water, so you can like cover with your foot because it like shoots underneath you and like into your pants. Unless you're into that.
It's like a bidet.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
MILF.
That's 130.
Thank you.
Hold this. Water.
Bum 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 bum. Bum bum bum.
Society.
Wait, why? You said.
I want to get a cream puff.
Yeah, I want to get the cream puff thing.
Hello,
Depends on the.
we get to watch your kids. And we
Me when my.
Hola, navegante.
Let's go!
Shit.
Yeah!
My butt is so hot.
Man, she's what's a little on me? Your girl? You me? You me? Your girl? When I? Your girl? Shopping wet. Dude, it's all over me.
That one, Tyler was just fucking.
Tilted Towers!
Oh, there it is. Cover the vent. Cover the vent, cover the vent. Cover the vent, cover the Let's go!
Oh, there's 2 drops. This is the first one.
Oh, we dropped?
Who's on the back?
No, no!
Oh, it's me. Wait, who is it?
Wait, oh, it's us. Oh, God, it's us.
Ah! Wait, this isn't bad. This isn't bad. Ah! Oh!
Yes, love it when my pants are wet. This is the first time in like 4 days.
True.
Ah! Yeah, no, not one. Not the shoe. Wow, why is everybody on this so lame?
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah! Let's get hype!
God, these guys all suck.
Yeah! Let's go! No one's screaming with us. Let's go!
We're just a little tumor of society, aren't we?
No. I feel like normally people get into it.
We get to go down. Wait, how can they also dry? What the heck? My pants are nice and moist.
Bye guys! See ya! Congress! Wait, that was nothing.
Yeah.
Shoddy trifling. We gotta go on splash bounce with me in the front.
Not even wet.
Hey guys, we got in now in 35 minutes.
What?
Yeah! Woo! Yeah! There we go. Dude, that kid is OG. Me when I wear a poncho to Disney. Just kidding. That's toxic. Whoa! That was crazy! Coggers! Me on the teacups, like.
You in the compression shorts?
You have compression shorts? Is that hot? Guys, you guys
Okay, bro, stop feeling my underwear, bro. Okay. Relax, boy. Oh my God. I want you to cozy.
I saw it last night. Like all night.
There's
one underneath you. Try to put your. Yeah, but the water shoots up when you go down.
Hey. Hey, what's up?
Our final system.
Yeah.
Shoddy trifling. That should look like a battle pass. That's what I'm saying.
Must be from Dirty Dog.
Rage.